Are you a young entrepreneur with a passion to grow your business, but feeling held back by limited resources and knowledge? Welcome to Zero Fund Organization, a platform dedicated to helping you unlock your potential and take your business to the next level. At Zero Fund, we believe in empowering youth-led businesses by providing the tools, resources, and support you need to thrive in today's competitive world. We focus on three key pillars to guide your journey: education. We connect you to top schools that offer specialized business education, ensuring you gain the essential skills to succeed in your field. What's more, we make sure that students receive sponsorships to cover the costs, so you can focus on learning without worrying about financial barriers. Mentorship. Our expert mentors are here to support you every step of the way. With personalized coaching, you'll gain invaluable insights and advice to help navigate the challenges of entrepreneurship. Investment. As part of our mission, we also provide financial support to promising startups, allowing you to focus on scaling your business without the strain of limited funding. Through our strategic partnerships with educational institutions, NGOs, and industry leaders, we've built an ecosystem that fosters innovation, collaboration, and growth. Joining Zero Fund Organization gives you access to exclusive resources, expert mentorship, and potential investment opportunities. Everything you need to turn your vision into a thriving business. Don't let financial limitations hold you back. Visit our website and apply today. Together, we'll help you build a brighter future, grow your business, and make a lasting impact in your community. Don't miss out this great opportunity. Sign up with us today and open windows of successful business.